Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper and also your profile picture. It's very simple. First you can go to settings, you can search it, or you can right click in the start menu and then go to settings, and then you can go to personalization here, and then you can scroll down until you find lock screen. Then you can scroll down again, and in this one you can browse your photos. And now if you want to change your profile picture, you can go to accounts, and then you can scroll until you find your info, and now you can browse files, or you can take picture from your computer.